Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Cynthia and I'm here to bring you another awesome job lead. This one here is a no phone opportunity. It's for a data entry operator and the company is VSP Vision. This is for a full-time position. This position you would perform the key entry, key from image, and the OC repair tasks as follows. You will correct errors found by the system's data validation worker. Key all the data on forms not read by the OCR engine and failed the auto capture process. You're going to resolve problems causing errors and override the business rule as appropriate. Key data that the OCR engine cannot read using basic processing rules. The job specifications typically has the following skills or abilities: 1 to 2 years of general office experience, proven proficiency in Windows environment, ability to read and write at a level necessary to accomplish the above tasks. The compensation for this position ranges from $15 to $21.50. The actual pay will be determined based on your experience and other job-related factors permitted by the law. As part of the compensation package, it's going to include eligible bonuses, equity, and commission. All right, so some of the benefits of VSP Vision is you have low-cost medical and dental, free vision care and eyewear discounts. You have 401k, paid vacations and holidays, career development and training program, a wellness program, tuition assistance, life, accidental, and disability insurance plans, and legal assistance. And in addition to the standard benefits package, they have a full suite of remote work resources to support the employees from wherever they work. Work from home stipend, office supply ordering program, flexible work schedules, training and development program, employee recognition, family care and pet benefits, corporate wellness and employee assistance programs, and 2 paid volunteer days. All right, so this here is, like I said, is another great opportunity with no phones. I will be including the link for the position down in the description box. Once you click on the link, hit the apply button. When you click the apply button, you can autofill with your resume or you can apply manually. Please like, comment, and subscribe so you'll be among the first to apply for some of these awesome positions. And if you know of someone who could benefit from these positions, please forward the video. I wish you the best of luck, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.